Hello Hyperpoggers, today we're making beats that would give your Aunt Bethel an aneurysm. It's time to make some spooky Hyperpop beats for SIOUXXIE. In case you aren't familiar with SIOUXXIE, they went viral on TikTok with the song Masquerade, but this beat is going to go more in the house-oriented direction of the Witch Pop project though. I'm definitely excited to see SIOUXXIE continue to grow as an artist because they have a really unique sound that I think kind of takes the sort of colorful aesthetic of most Hyperpop and goes in a completely different direction with it. Also, I saw they recently performed at the Hyperpop Daily Show out in Cali, so that's fucking dope. That's why it's about time I got my shit together and made a SIOUXXIE tutorial. Now, shout out to Moonlight who requested this tutorial in the comments and put this artist on my radar a few months ago. So if there's a dope Hyperpop artist you want to see a tutorial for, please be sure to always let me know down in the comments. Also, we're going to be flipping sounds of this beat from Geist, 7 Victims, Geology, and even your Aunt Bethel. So be sure to tap in with all these awesome producers as well. Now let's dive in.
Agent, don't play.
This one honestly turned out so much harder than I was expecting. It's pretty fun to try mixing those kind of house and halftime rhythms together. I'm definitely stoked to see how SIOUXXIE continues to develop their sound. To be honest, sometimes I get the impression that artists who have more metal aesthetics are only rarely able to have a versatile sound. But even with only a handful of projects out, SIOUXXIE has shown tons of versatility already. It'll be dope to see where their sound goes next. Anyways, click this card if you want to make a beat for Yeet, or click this card to make a beat for It's Okay to Cry. Thank you again, I love you, as they say in the Fire Nation, stay flamin', I'll see you next time.